Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again. So today I'm going to do something differently, just as I shared from my previous video that in the next 2-3 weeks I was going to focus on our bodies, especially women. So last time I did on a very healthy smoothie, and so today I'm going to show you how to lose belly fat very fast. That's the journey that personally I'm taking. And so you only need 3 ingredients. So this is what I'm going to use. I have ginger over here and it's a large piece. So I'll use this ginger and I'm going for 3 lemons. As you can see, there are 3. So I have an option when I'm using lemon. I have an option of boiling or squeezing. Especially when it comes to the lemon, I can either boil or I can squeeze the juice. But for the ginger, I must cut into small pieces or blend and boil a bit, or I can as well blend. If it is fine, then there is no need for boiling. I can just boil the water, squeeze in the ginger, add the lemon, and the last ingredient, guys, is cinnamon. So with me here, I have cinnamon. And so my advice is every morning, every single morning before you do your normal food or normal routines, breakfast, do this at least for 45 minutes. Take a glass of this content for 45 minutes before you do your breakfast or before you take any other thing. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so quickly, I've tried to adjust my camera so that you can see what I'm going to do. So quickly, I'm going to peel this, the ginger. I'm going to peel, and then I'll chop small pieces. So I'll try to be a bit quick. First of all, I did the washing. Don't forget and do without washing. You have to kill the germs as well. So I washed the ginger first, and then I'll just go right away and do the small pieces in water. So I'll just do my pieces directly. No need to chop from somewhere. I'm just chopping from here directly, guys. So I just do the chopping of the ginger, you see. And for the better results, use as much ginger as possible, and please don't add the sweetness. They do away with what you want to achieve. So avoid sugar, avoid honey, avoid anything. Just take 1 glass every morning. Don't overdo, do not overdo. So I'm just doing this, and then I've put the water on heat like that. I can add some more, not necessarily, but why not? I prefer it when it has lots of ginger and enough lemon, you know. And as I had said earlier on, you can choose to either squeeze or you boil the lemon. Any can do, or you can even do both. Any can do. So I want to bring the water to a boil. And from the video, you can see that I'm putting a lot of ginger. I can leave this piece, at least I've put a lot. And then you have an option of squeezing. You can squeeze or boil. So I can slice. Actually, let me just get the chopping board. You can just slice and throw them in there. Then I can choose to squeeze one. Actually, that's what is working best with me. So, as you can see, I'm doing 2 of them, and then the last one I'll squeeze in the glass. So everything in there. I get another one. I remove a chop of the sides. see, it's a simple thing to do, guys. Simple. So this is the second lemon. I prefer the green ones. You can do the yellow ones as well. Still achieve the same results. So what I'm going to do, this is cinnamon. This one now, I'll not even boil it. I'll just add in my cup of tea, and that's what I take for my breakfast. Alright guys, stay there, don't move. Don't move. Don't you move. I just want to clear off this place. Yeah. As you can see, everything is in here. I can try to, let me see if I can bring closer the camera so that you can see in the pan what I am doing. Let me hope you can see in the pan. So actually that's what is happening. That's what is happening. So I'm just waiting for it to boil. Just waiting for it to boil. Just waiting for everything to boil here. Make sure that your content is brought to a boil. Your content must be brought to a boil. I'm sure you can see it's boiling. I am sure you can see. So boil at least about 10 to 15 minutes so that you get the best content out of that every morning and see your results within a week. You will see your results within a week's time. You'll have achieved something. Not completely, but you'll see some complete changes in your body. Alright guys. So what I want to do, I want you to see the boiling, like it should be pure and it should be a good boil. You see? It should be a good boil. It should be a good boil. You see? It should be a good boil. So, when the boiling is done so well, then you are ready to achieve your results. So see what I'm going to do next. Trying to adjust my camera. So I have my cup of tea over here. I think you can't see clearly. Let me try to adjust. This must be okay. Still trying to adjust. Yeah. So I'll get hold of that. So I'll just turn off the Meko. Then I sieve. So just one glass or one cup. Actually, I use a cup. Some people do glasses. I use a cup. And when I'm done with this, it's not a must that I take breakfast anymore. So here is my cup of the content. It's here. So at this point, what I'm gonna do, guys, is to add a spoon of cinnamon. So I'll just do 1 teaspoon, a full one, guys. Look. This one, I'll do one. And then I add to my mixture and I stir. Then I stir. Hello. Don't move. So you can do this after 45 minutes after you're done with give it some time to cool a bit so that you don't get burnt. Because now that it's boiled, it's super hot. So give it some time to cool first. When it has cooled down, then you can enjoy your cup of this kind of content or this kind of mix. Remember, this is to get a flat belly. A flat belly. Look at mine. Not very flat. Actually, I'll adjust my camera so that you can see at mine. You can look at mine. I'm a mother of 2. I want you to look at mine. I've not achieved, but I'm on my way there. I'm on my way there. As I celebrate the results, hard work behind this, no exercises whatsoever. So this is my content, you see. This is my content. This is my cup. Take this every morning, guys, and only if you don't have acidity issues. If you have acidity issues, please wait when I'll be doing my next video. Please wait. So if you have acidity issues, guys, please don't try this. In my next video, I'll show you how you can achieve a flat belly within a very short time, like 7 days to 10 days. If you have acidity issues, this one is the one is done for the people who have no acidity issues. So start seeing your results in just 10 days. Then you'll see your tummy getting smaller and smaller. Very good content when it comes to burning fats, and very healthy as well. Do this and see changes in your body. Look at my tummy. It's here. I don't know if you can see very well. I'm a mother of 2. It's not that flat, but at least I've achieved something within a short time. And so I'm still doing this. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in, and keep watching my videos. Until next time, as I'll be doing my next video now to show what you need to do if you have acidity issues and attain a flat tummy. Bye-bye.